Hello students, I'm here to walk you through Seesaw today. Seesaw is an app on our iPads that is a blog site that we can post our work to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Seesaw. Now this screen pops up. I'm a teacher or I'm a student. Now I'm definitely not a teacher, so I'm going to click on I'm a student. So what's going to happen is a QR reader is going to pop up. Click on I'm a student. Now, somewhere around our classroom, there should be a QR code. Where could it be? Aha! There it is. I walk over to it. I scan it, and now I'm in Mr. LeBlanc's class. Maybe you're in a different class than Mr. LeBlanc. I can create 6 things from my Seesaw account. I can take a photo, I can do a video, I can make a drawing, I can access my camera roll on my iPad, I can make a note, maybe for a journal, or I can do a link from other apps like Educreations, Show Me, and some other things. I'm going to start with photo. If I want to, I can have you guys go around, and this is a book that we've been working on. I could say, boys and girls, I want you to take a picture of the cover of our book that we've been working on and tell me the character traits. Someone take a picture. Now look at the bottom. See that blue bar? If I'm shaking my camera, it won't be able to take a picture. So I need to hold it still, it says. Watch what happens when I hold still. Ah, a good image comes. Now that I have my photo, I can choose to rotate it if it's not correct. So I can switch it around. Let's say I took a picture upside down on accident. Whoops, not a problem. Go down to the bottom, click on the rotate, get it the way you want it to look. Okay, now my job, my task was to come up with the character trait for whoever my character is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a recording. Before we record, we might want to say that we're recording so then other students aren't very loud. I'm going to go ahead and click on the microphone. In the story, Why Mosquitoes Buzz in People's Ears, my character is Mosquito, and I am annoying in the book. Now that I'm all done recording, I can go up and hit the green check mark. Now I can listen back to it and see if that's what I wanted to say. In the story, Why Mosquitoes Buzz in People's Ears, my character is Mosquito, and I am annoying in the book. If I don't like that recording, I can always go over here and hit the X button, but I think that's good enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and hit the check mark. Now it's going to ask me, what student am I? Select a student. Which student am I? Let's say that I am Weston. I'm going to go ahead and select Weston. Maybe there was 2 people that worked on this, and I'm Weston and I'm Micah. Okay, those are the 2 people that worked on it. But this one is just going to be Weston. Let's just say Weston's working on it. He's going to go up and he's going to select the green check mark. That's him. And it's going to upload. Now it's uploaded and it's waiting for approval by your teacher. Nothing goes live onto your blog until the teacher approves it. So your parents can't see it. Only the teacher can see it. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to add a video if you want. I can do the same thing with a video. I can go to video and do basically the same thing with a camera. Let's say that I want to take a video of something. I could do the exact same things. I'm going to go back. I can add a drawing. I can even add a recording to my drawing. Here's my eraser down here. I want to make sure that the blue part is where I want it to be. So this would be, I'm going to be using my pen. I'm going to go ahead and click on my pen. And right here is the sizes that I can select. So I'm going to go ahead and select the sizes. Let's say I want it to be a little bit bigger. Well, I can go to the biggest one if I want, and I can hit the green check mark. And now let's say I want to select a color and I want yellow. I'm going to click on yellow. And now I can start drawing up here. Let's say I want to draw a house. Okay. Now let's say I'm done with my work and I want to record over the top. So I'm going to go to the record button. In the house, the wolf was waiting for Little Red Riding Hood to come. I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to hit the check mark, and then I can review my work. Sometimes it takes a little while, and we might just have to wait. Okay, so here we go. We've waited, and now our video is available. I can listen to it back if I want to, or I can go ahead and hit the green check mark, and it'll be good to go. So I'm going to hit the green check mark. I'm going to say that this is Weston's again. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on Weston, and I'm going to go up, and I'm going to click on the green arrow. Now this is going to be waiting for approval as well from Mr. LeBlanc. Okay. Some other things that I can do, I'm going to go up and hit the green check mark. I can also go to my camera roll and copy something from my camera roll into here. Everything from my camera rolls in here. So maybe I want to add a video or something like that. Maybe I want to add a picture as well, and I can do that from my camera roll. I can add a note. Let's say if I want to journal. And Mr. LeBlanc says, hey, go write in your journal for today about what you did during the weekend. They can go ahead and type in here, this weekend, I went hunting. And maybe you would tell about your hunting adventure. Once I've done it, I'd hit the green check mark and it would be ready to go. I would select the student that is posting it. I'm going to go back, and then the coolest thing that I think is you can select a link. So I'm going to click the link, and look at that. I already copied a link from my Educations in there. But I'm going to go ahead and hit X, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to go out. I'm going to go over to my Educations. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on Jack and Weston's work there. Now it's going to start playing.
We have one.
I'm going to pause it really quick. Go up to the top right, click on the blue box with the arrow right here. Then I don't want to send it to mail. I don't want to save the video. I want to copy a link. So I'm going to hit copy link. Link copied, it says. Okay, I'm done. I can go ahead and go out. I can go back to my Seesaw account. I'm going to click on it. Okay, go to link, click on it. And look at that, it's there for me, and I can hit the check mark when I'm ready to go. And then if I wanted to add a recording over the top of that, or maybe I want to add a text down at the bottom and tell my parents what I did. We worked with money in math today. And I'm done, and it'll post down to the bottom of my work. Once I'm done, I can go up and hit that check mark, select my student, whoever I am. Remember, I want to get credit for my work, and I want my parents to see it. So always click on your own name.